hope you want to learn how to become a cat because you want more than one life and cats have 9. Well, you've come to the right place. Step 1, you gotta learn how to drink milk and only milk forever. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai here, back once again taking a look at how I made this pixel art room. We've done a couple of these already in the past. You guys seem to love them, so we're back doing another one today. So I want to start off by saying we're doing a living room today. We've done a bedroom, and we've done a laundry room. I do believe that's all the ones we've done. We've done 2 of them before, and we're doing a living room today. So I wanted to kind of make sure that I keep them all looking similar, so they look like they're part of the same house or the same style. But I don't want them to look so similar that they look exactly the same. So that's been like a big thing with these 3 that I've done, and I want to do more of these as well. I really enjoy these a lot. So again, if you guys like these, let me know below. Just even watching the video helps. Let me know. So I think that this one I didn't want to. So in some of the other rooms, like the bedroom or the laundry room, I kind of added a lot of detail on the walls or wherever, and I kind of wanted this one to be just as plain as possible. Not plain like nothing's going on, but I didn't want to over clutter it. I kind of wanted it to stand on its own, and you'll see here we kind of just have a rug, a plant, a couch, and a table, and a painting. There's not much going on. And I think as we do more and more of these, I think the hard task is to try and make things that are different, but not like, I mean, we've done a painting, but I don't want to do just any painting. So I kind of went with an abstract painting this time. And again, these kind of like pixel art portrait pieces, not portraits, pieces or rooms or whatever you want to call them, they're really, really fun because it's kind of like there's no rules. They don't have to worry about if you're making like this, if you're like trying to model Dwayne Johnson or something, and it doesn't look like Dwayne Johnson, so you got to like rework the face or something. It's kind of like we're just having some fun, and I like that a lot. It's the sky's the limit essentially with these, which I think is really, really cool. The only thing I have to worry about is like making sure that everything's like, the right proportions. Like the couch can't be 17 sizes bigger than the door unless, we want, I don't know, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to live here. So we're just gonna like, make sure that the sizes are right, and then that's it. With this tree, I wanted to do a little mix up. This is a little bit something different than we've done. So with every other thing that's in these pixel art rooms, everything's really squared off. Everything's really even. Everything's really like neat and perfect, and kind of using the line tool or the circle tool or something like that. And for this, I kind of wanted to use the freehand brush for this. So just draw some freehand pixels in there, and create a really, really abnormal, non-robotic looking shape, which I think really, really stands out in the final piece, because like I said, it's really one of the only things that I've done that isn't like using the line tool, which I think is just crazy. I think that's so, it just really stands out, and I like that quite a bit. I was like, wow, the tree looks like a tree. It looks like an actual plant because it just looks natural. I thought that was really, really sick. So I guess what I'm trying to say is sometimes just switch things up sometimes, just switch things up. And if you're doing a lot of these kind of lines, do some of those kind of lines. If you're doing some of those kind of lines, do some of them kind of lines, just do some different things, and always keep, even though you have like a consistent style or a consistent idea, try to like switch it up, throw some new things in there, and it might work, Oh, excuse me. It is very late at night here, and I'm recording this pixel art adventure at about 10 p.m. So what we're doing is right now I'm trying to decide what I want on the table, because I can't exactly put it into words, but I didn't really want to go, like I said, I didn't really want to go overboard. I kind of wanted the table just to exist. I kind of wanted it to be just a plain table, but you can see after all I decided to add a couple magazines and a little TV remote, which I think looks really, really nice. I was worried. I always love doing text on books or magazines or something like that, and I just do like little scribbles. It's like sim speak. Like this is what I feel like Simlish looks like when you write it down. But I tried to make a little coaster there, as you can see, but I didn't like it, so I got rid of it because I just didn't like the circular shape of the coaster. Moving on, like I said, to the remote. I think the remote was super basic. It was literally just like the gray color with then a green and a red color for the on and off button. I think it looked pretty good. You could tell what it was meant to be. And then we go with the abstract painting. The abstract painting was just something that I really wanted to do for a little bit of time now, and I just really kind of wanted to make something that is just a strange shape and just go off of it, you know what I mean? So you can see here, it's kind of what I thought it looked like. I thought it looked like overgrown corn. That's what it looked like to me, with the green and the yellow. Like, I don't know what the blue is meant to signify, but like a bluebird or something. But yeah, this is basically it. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to do too much. So as you can see, this is basically all that I decided to do. And then I put like flowers on the on the corn, I guess. I don't know what it is, but it's something. It's like flowery corn, I suppose. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the point of these is always to just expand, you know, your imagination, I guess, in a way, because really it's just a room and pixels, you know, and you have the ability to do anything you want. And I like this because it's a good exercise you guys can do as well. It's not like, oh, create your own entire world and all your lore and create this character and do this and do that. And it's not like that. It's like, just make a room. You guys know what rooms look like. You have a room, you know, most likely, hopefully. But yeah, just make a room. Just put a chair in it. Make a diner. You literally do anything. And I mean, I think it's one of the coolest things. It's a great exercise because you have multiple different items in here that you can choose to try and pixel arts, and it's just a bunch of fun. So get out there and make your own pixel art rooms and do stuff, and let me know what's going on and if you enjoyed in the comments below and what you made. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.